Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and launching the first pairing steps. Make sure you are signed into the same Microsoft account on Edge Desktop and Edge Mobile. This is how data sync works. Once signed in, enable sync and the specific data types you want to share, bookmarks, passwords, tabs. Now open Edge on the desktop and go to Settings, select Phone, or Continue on PC options. Use your phone camera or built-in scanner to start the pairing process. This links browser context quickly. Next, you'll execute the core pairing and permission steps that complete the connection. On Desktop Edge, navigate to Settings, then Profiles, and find Phone or Send to your phone. Choose the send method or generate a QR code. Once the QR appears, open Edge on your phone and either accept the prompt or scan the code. Make sure to grant notifications and link permissions so pages can be received. After pairing, send a test tab or link to confirm the desktop and mobile instances, communicate correctly, and to finish, verify everything is stable and know one quick fix if it fails. Check sync status in each profile. If sync doesn't show active, sign out of Edge on both devices and sign back in. This often resolves token or session issues. If pairing still fails, restart both apps, confirm Wi-Fi or Bluetooth is on, and check device date and time accuracy. Finally, use Send to your phone or collections for regular transfers, and update Edge on both devices to avoid compatibility problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.